Here I go again. Pressing the record button. Because nowadays, it seems like that's what all the YouTubers, all the big YouTubers, the ones that's getting monetized, all of them say, press the record button. Get in front of your phone and press the record button. Press the record button. Press. Okay, let's see. Press the record button. In all honesty, I find pressing the record button the hardest thing to do, even though it can be the easiest thing to do. Let me give you a rundown. I'm a single mother. That requires a lot of action. No help and no support. I haven't found my village yet. They say, oh, it take a village to raise some kids. True that. But I haven't found my village or my tribe. So I have to kind of work it out. When it comes down to the mommy thing, I really have to be active out here. Then, not only that, I'm calling myself being a plant mom. I'm really here today to push the record button because they say you tired of being broke, press the record button. Yes. You tired of living an ordinary life? Yes, press the record button. You tired of your I honestly find pressing the record button very, very difficult. For like over a week, I done had like probably 4 samples. I call myself, oh, and that's another thing, aspiring content creator via TikTok. Okay, I done had over 4 samples sent to me that I have not been able to sit down and do the content, create the content for the samples to post the content. Like, subscribe, and comment on this video, y'all. I am a aspiring content creator, single mom, plant mom. I'm dedicated with anything I do. But it's just like something is missing. Every time after a long day, I go out, I do Instacart, I do Amazon Flex, I do Uber Eats. I do all of this with my kids with me if they not at school. And after a long day of running back and forth doing 50,000 deliveries, I get on YouTube and I scroll and I scroll. And all I seem to see is press the play button. Press the play button. Like, I'm here now. I'm Toy. Welcome to my channel. I am dedicated. So yeah, y'all hit that subscribe, run me up, comment, give me some tips and corners. They said it don't have to be fancy, the video don't even have to be edited. True or false?